Hi, so I'm going to show you how to do a zigzag using a harmony and a regular sari scarf. So first thing I do is I start with the harmony and wrap it on an angle. Tie it at the back. The harmonies have been specially designed to cover your whole head, so you don't need to do any sort of like flippy thing that you need to do with the regular saris. So tie a knot, both ends hanging evenly. Now grab your second sari. Now I've chosen like two contrasting colors, two kind of like, I guess, monotonial, although it's very hard to get like monotones in sari scarves, but like two monotonial sari scarves. I'm like folding the back just to make it so like the teal shows at the end. But you can use, you know, two multicolored sari scarves and then it'll look super cool. But I'm going for the zigzag contrast here. Hi. There you go. Okay, so you got like the mauve and then the turquoise. So I'm gonna put both the mauves on this side and the turquoise is on this side. So now we start zigzagging. Now the challenge with the harmony is just getting things a little bit flatter. So you see how I folded it in on itself? But the cool thing about it is it's so voluminous. It's gonna create a really cool look. So then get that in. And the thing is, if your sari scarf is not long enough, that is fine. You can deal with the ends at the end when you're done. All that really matters is how the front looks. So then take the other side, again, tuck it in. You'll deal with the ends if they're a bit messy, you'll deal with those later. Okay. And you can see how this is a bit messy here, but that's fine, because I'm gonna just cover that up with this. There you go. Last end, I mean, you could always leave this one down, and I guess if I'd started with one end longer and one end shorter, I could have left that down completely, but I'm gonna do a complete zigzag, which means that I'm gonna be putting this one in as well. Okay, so I seem to have done pretty well in terms of like ends sticking out. But if you do have ends sticking out, like now's the time to like tuck everything in and get it all flat and straight. But there you have it. The zigzag with two sari style scarves, one harmony and one regular sari. Bye.